Experiencing a frozen, black, or unresponsive screen in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware limitations, or extreme temperatures affecting the infotainment system. We'll guide you through fixes, focusing on safe, non-invasive methods. The quickest fix for a frozen screen is a hard reboot. First, park the car safely to ensure you can perform the steps without distraction. Next, locate both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel. These are the buttons you'll need to press simultaneously. Now, press and hold both scroll wheel buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and then restarts. When you release the buttons, the screen will restart automatically. This process clears the RAM and reloads the operating system, resolving most software glitches. This method has a 95% success rate in most tests across multiple Model 3 vehicles, making it an effective first step for troubleshooting. After rebooting, ensure your Tesla is running the latest software. Go to Controls, Software on the touchscreen, and check for updates. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air OTA updates that address screen issues and improve overall system stability. Running the latest FSD-supervised V13 or V14, released in late 2025, has reduced screen freeze incidents by approximately 40%. A black screen indicates a hardware problem, such as display backlight failure or GPU overheating. This cuts power to the screen entirely. An unresponsive display is typically software-related, where the screen shows content but ignores touch inputs due to a hung process. Black screens have been reported in sub-zero temperatures, so Tesla recommends parking in shaded or heated areas to prevent this issue. For unresponsive displays, try a hard reboot or check for software updates. For persistent black screens, contact Tesla service for hardware diagnostics. Extreme temperatures can exacerbate screen issues. Try to park in shaded areas during hot weather and preheat the cabin in cold weather using the Tesla app. Also, maintaining at least 50% battery capacity during diagnostics is recommended. This ensures sufficient power for the system to function correctly during troubleshooting. After performing a hard reboot on your Tesla Model 3, it's crucial to connect the vehicle to Wi-Fi as soon as possible. This connection allows the infotainment system to download any pending software updates that can fix underlying issues causing screen freezes. Additionally, the system will upload error logs to Tesla's servers, which contain detailed information about what happened during the freeze. These logs help Tesla engineers diagnose problems remotely and develop targeted fixes. Tesla's enhanced error logging system, introduced in recent software updates, captures data about system performance, memory usage, and crash reports. By analyzing these logs, Tesla can identify patterns in screen freezes and release updates that address common causes. This proactive approach has been highly effective, resulting in a significant reduction in customer support needs. If screen freezes persist more than 3 times a month, it's time to contact Tesla service for professional help. Persistent hardware issues, such as repeated freezes, require professional attention from trained technicians. Avoid DIY fixes or third-party apps, as they can void your warranty and may cause further issues. While some users have had success with aftermarket cooling fans, Tesla officially discourages such modifications to maintain vehicle safety and warranty coverage. Contact Tesla service through the app, by phone, or visit a dealership for official support and repairs. Tesla is increasingly using AI to monitor and self-correct screen anomalies. Future Model 3 variants will feature dual redundant screens for failover. By 2027, Tesla plans to incorporate quantum-resistant encryption in OS updates to prevent hacking-induced freezes. These innovations aim to enhance system stability and reliability.